Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Party company. And I provide Google Ads, audit setup management, Google Merchant Center audit setup management, and disapproval services. And in case if you need such services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So let's get started on the detailed case study of a Google Merchant Center account which we fixed for misrepresentation. So how we fix for misrepresentation, I'm going to be detail by detail in this case study. So you can see that this was the original case given to us. You can see the eco container is the name of the project. You can see that it is for a GMC for running in the US, and misrepresentation error is over there. And you can see that you need to provide transparency about your business identity, business model, business policies, and how your customers can interact with you. Promote your online reputation by showing reviews. Use professional SSL certificate plus professional design. Provide information is business information settings in your merchant center. You can see that a suspension is not only the reason on the website, but also the settings on your merchant center also plays a strong role over here. And follow SEO guidelines, improve your eligibility for seller ratings, and match your product data in your merchant with your own online store. You can see over here that the account needed to have a verification for your identity as well. So what we did was, the first audit was to verify, and that the client has said that there are 26 products and you can draft 20 and run on 6 and make it approved. So the first thing was to verify your identity. That is the first most important thing when you are running a GMC or Google Ads, Merchant Center Restoration, or Google GMC or Google Ads. So what we did was verification was done. It was being requested by the client to do it, and this was a very important thing in our whole procedure. And the second thing is we started doing the audit of the account. Again, we have a team of professionals who work along with me. So I like to appreciate my team who worked hard on this. And that the first audit done was that every page should have a clickable information. There was an email address. We even verify the email address by simply sending out when we verify on calling on the number to see. And there are several things which we do, like even if I show you on that, like we different aspects, like even the Google Search Console error. For those who don't know, that Google Search Console is basically a webmaster's place designed by Google for webmasters and SEO expert, and there are many issues over there which are the cause of concern for any account suspension. We had to sort them out. We looked around at the page speed, different things over there, reviews, quality score, amazing landing experience. Even the social media backlinks need to be integrated, need to have be fine. The phone number, even the track order page. Sometimes the track order page is not working. Even sometimes the payment methods you have listed are not working. I have issues, the billing issues. Sometimes if you have copied the content, that could be issue. Broken links. There are so many. We have so far developed 170 plus step checklist to ensure that your account doesn't get suspended for misrepresentation, website needs improvement, false statement, or any other issue. So we have a lot of things in mind. Shipping policy. So you can see over here that this is a container website, and you can see that even still not all of them have the reviews added. So this is a tracking number. We had to check everything is working. They provided us with a simple tracking number so we can verify it. We had to call, we had to email, we had to see the physical address of this location. So there were so many things which we did when we were discussing with Google. And even the chat support is working well or not. Like even if you add multiple products, like sometimes I have seen, like if you add multiple products, even if you add this product in 2 or 3, this could cause an issue. Like you can't add 3 in the add to cart, this could cause an issue. That could be a cause of a suspension. There are so many reasons which could cause your account to be suspended. Then if you are seeing the discount over here, but when you do the add to cart, the discount matches it or not, that could be a reason as well. The images, the quality of the images, image tags, copied content, copied images, quality of the image, quality of the landing page, quality of the content. And then the GMC settings, the Google Merchant Center settings needs to be worked around over here. There are so many settings. So this was I'm sharing with you guys how detailed it is. And every case is almost different. And like I told you over here, that the clickable information was missing, and then this is a placeholder issue. Okay, for those who don't know, placeholder is basically a coding error, and only a developer can know it. And Google doesn't approve websites which has placeholding error in them, and that is a serious cause of suspension for them. This was another. And in the landing page, you can see over here that no images were available. This had no image, and the images quality were slow. We had to redesign. the news blog, had a copied content. Then, the fund return should have different pages, should have exact information matched with the Google Merchant Center. So you can't have everything over here. So that needs to match with your business info over here, the stores you are targeting, and that information needs to be reflected on these pages. And then, we suggested some pages to remove, and because we recreated them for you as well. And then, like, when you said that a price match guarantee, how you are offering it, product quality guarantee, how you are offering, do you have any certificate, or if it's a general claim, if it's a general claim, Google won't approve you need to back up claim. That is very, very important, and mostly people don't know, and that is why we thoroughly review the content. Again, it's a teamwork. And after this, you can see use shipping containers. The product page has some issues, further issues. Then, the payment logos, like guaranteed safe checkout. And then, when we saw those, we actually had more payment methods when we do the checkout. But in over here, when in the product page, we just mentioned 4 payment methods. That could cause a suspension as well. So shipping page mentioned the name of partners, shipping partners. We had to mention estimated delivery time. Again, the estimated delivery time over here and on the Google Merchant Center over here needs to be matched. Your website address, everything needs to be cross-matched. That with Google Search Console, Google Merchant Center, Google Ads, your website, everything should be transparent. Then, we look around at the site issues, malware issues, broken link, site speed. You can see over here these are scans. We look around the dead link. So I'm just sharing with you on how many things were, the part of our audits, and how many things, which we did, and, placeholder was still found. And then after doing the research, that we had a dedicated channel developed with Google where we were constantly communicating. Again, my team, not me, my team was constantly communicating. And then suddenly, we received an email over here to one of our staff member, and, this is the I can write in front of you guys as well, so you can see over here that this is not and you can see over here, one of my staff member got this reply. Thank you for contacting G Tech customer support experience. Again, we are a Google party company and we have a dedicated support channel. So we appreciate your patience while we work on your query. I understand you are concerned about the merchant center account suspension due to policy violation, misrepresentation. I really apologize for any inconvenience this may have caused. We have got your concern checked with validity, and I am happy to let you know that after further review, your account has been approved to participate in shopping ads. I'd like to request you to follow the billing step. Sign into your merchant account. Select the products from the navigation panel, go to diagnostics. Under the account issues column, you could see the status of your account. Please allow 24 to 48 hours for the system to synchronize and start serving your products accordingly. So yeah, I'm glad that this is another successful case study, and I like to appreciate and give the credit to my team and then to the client who was patient and supporting enough to sort out these errors. And I can now show you the merchant center as well over here. You can see the notifications over here. There is nothing over here. If you look around on the products, yeah, I want all these them to be approved with the green mark. Oh, okay, so while it gets loaded, I want you guys to know that they should be with green mark and look right, like all the products are being approved with green mark. This is a success story, another success story over here. And if you look around on products need attention, this is going to be 0 for now. I this is what I assume now, because, yeah, you can see that product notifications are 0. The only issue is that the Google Ads account is not being connected. You can over here. So yeah, this is another, successful case study. Sales tax improvements, automatic merchant center, shipping costs, weight, container sizes, everything was done in the account. Business info was being managed, store quality was being looked around, listings, products, online store, customer reports were done. The my team was so extensive, so detailed in getting it approved. Everything was, under the line, and I like to appreciate them, for getting it approved. You can see over here that this is approved, and everyone, see the for the suggestion. So yeah, this is another successful case study. Now nothing is disapproved. uh you know Sometimes it shows over here as well, so you can see that everything is set on fine. So yeah, this is another successful case study. So in case if you need Google Ads suspension management, Google Ads, if your Google Merchant Center account is suspended, if your Google Ads account is suspended, if your Google Ads are disapproved, if your Google Merchant Center products are disapproved, me and my team can help you. We can even help you with Google Ads audit setup and management. You can hire, and we can even help you with landing pages. You can hire us through the link in the description, and I will love to work with you. Me and my team, I would love to work with you guys in optimizing your campaigns for the digital world. So yeah, Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I look forward working with you guys. So do hire me and my team. Again, thank you for watching. Bye bye.